Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. Now before proceeding to take their glimpses and their contribution, we will see some interesting facts regarding this entire Constituent Assembly. Now as per the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946, the original strength of Constituent Assembly members was 389, but due to the partition, the same got reduced to 299. So you can say that over a period from 1946 up to 1949, there was always 300 plus members in our Constituent Assembly. And it is very important to note that amongst these 300 plus Constituent Assembly members, nearly 1/3 of that members were practicing advocates, barristers, senior lawyers. So that is how this legal profession is also instrumental in this entire process of making of our constitution. The assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete the work. During this period, there were 7,635 amendments proposed, of which 2,473 amendments were actually moved. Now, there was a visitors gallery where the general public could go and watch the proceedings of the Constituent Assembly. And you will be astonished that over this entire period, nearly 53,000 visitors went to that visitors gallery to watch this particular proceedings. Constituent Assembly total had 11 sessions. Of that, first session to 6th, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sessions discussed objective resolution report on various committees, that is Fundamental Rights Committee, Union Constitution Committee, Union Power Committee, Provincial Constitution Committee, Minorities Committee, Scheduled Area and Scheduled Tribes Community. So 1 to 6 objective resolution on reports. Then 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These sessions was totally dedicated to the draft constitution, wherein article by article was debated, people expressed their views, amendment moves, sometimes amendments accepted, sometimes amendment rejected. Now if you see that the Constituent Assembly sat for 141 days in total. Out of this 141, 114 days were consumed on the discussion of the draft constitution. If you see, the first draft constitution had 315 articles and 8 schedules. The final draft was comprised of 395 articles and 8 schedules. The total expense incurred up to 22nd of November 1949 was 63,96,729. So friends, with this kind of an background and understanding how it all functioned, we will now proceed to give the glimpses of the 75 Constituent Assembly members. Thank you.